In today's video, I'm going to be doing a braid out tutorial. As you can see it, this is what I have going on currently. I've been getting a lot of questions about some of the products that I use, how long it takes me to do my hair, how to actually do it. So I finally am giving it a shot, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a video. Super excited for this opportunity. Before we go ahead and get in, just wanted to show you guys some of the products that I use for this look. I have this Detangler / leave-in conditioner and co-wash by Taliah Waajid. I don't know if you guys can see it. I have this natural curl defining cream by BodyWorks, sorry. And this is my liquid. This is gonna be my cream. And then my oil of choice today is some olive oil. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and just leave it in the comment box. If you enjoy the video, go ahead and like, and also please go ahead and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So this is what my hair looks like when it is freshly washed. So shampoo, conditioned, and deep conditioning. What I'm doing right now is sectioning my hair off into 4 sections. Here's the back. Extremely thick, as you can see. And now I'm working with this back piece. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Detangler by Taliah Waajid. It's also a leave-in. It's really good for moisturizing and helping to stop any tangles that might be in your hair. Next thing I'm going to do is apply my BodyWorks, the curl defining cream. And I'm going to get all in there. Much as I can for now. When I'm done, I'm going to take the end and tuck it into my roots so that my hair can stay moisturized. I applied my leave-in conditioner and my cream to my hair just to make sure it stays moisturized. Now I'm going to work with this back section. I'm going to add some water just to make sure it's wet enough so that I can manage and work with it. And I'm going to take that section and I'm going to go ahead and part it again. Comb it out. And then I'm going to go back in and add some more leave-in and some more of the cream to my hair to make sure that it is super moisturized before I begin my style. Give it one last comb. I'm parting it here. This is where I'm going to start braiding my hair, but before I do, I want to go ahead and add in my oil, which is the olive oil. You'll see in a bit. Want to make sure that I am sealing the moisture in my hair. Can't have dusty twist outs, guys. And here you see me braiding my hair. So obviously my hair gets in the way. That's okay. Rocking out some more music. Also, sidebar, no product of mine gets wasted. I use every ounce that I can. So that's why you see me stripping the product from that braid and adding it onto this braid. I tend to do the back of my hair smaller than the front because the back of my hair is a lot coarser, it's a lot thicker. Jamming out. So I have to that's all I do. I just keep braiding. So here I tried to do a little close-up of the front just so you guys can see. So it's a big section. All I'm doing is parting it in half. Adding my cream and my oil if I need to. So there's the leave-in conditioner. There's the cream. Get all up in there. And then my oil. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and break that section once more and then just begin braiding. Last braid, finally. Again, I waste no product. Nice and juicy. Go ahead and distribute it. And this is what my hair looks like when it's all braided. Got a snappy in my hair, y'all. So here's the final product after I finish braiding my hair. Not too chunky, not too small, just right. A back view for you guys. Now, this last step before I put my bonnet on my head, I like my curls to be really curly, especially at the ends. It also makes it a little even, so what I'm doing here is just adding some of these clips in it, just so when I take it out, it's nice and curly. Also, if you guys haven't noticed, I don't use gel in my braid outs only because I like a little loose curl. I like it to look a little messy. So here I am with my bonnet, my super huge bonnet. And of course, again, it happens all the time to me. So I sleep with this on my head throughout the night. See you guys. So this is the next day. Got my little makeup going on. And then you guys can see that the braids are nice and dried. What I'm gonna do now is take out the clips from my hair. I forget what you call those clips. Sorry. So they look like they're 100% dry. I'm excited. Yay! So now I'm adding some of my jojoba oil. I feel like this helps reduce a lot of the frizz so the curls don't get disrupted too much. And what I do is I put them on all of my fingers. I rub them together before I take them out. So here I go. All I'm doing is just unraveling the twists one by one. Doesn't really take me a long time for them to come out either. And although I'm speeding it up, I am taking my time, so don't worry. So these are what the curls look like right before I start to separate them all individually. There's the back, and now it begins. So you didn't see me take them all out, but I saved this last one, and all I'm doing is separating wherever the curl wants. So nothing extra, just going ahead and just separating as much as I can. A little shake, finding some more braids that I still need to separate. curls, yes. So here is the fun part. I'm gonna go in and pick my hair. When I tell you guys off and on camera, I was picking. This usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes of just pick time. You'll see. Yup, I told y'all. And some more. So the point of me picking it is because I want my hair to look as full and as bouncy as possible. So I go to work. So here's what the back looks like. Again, I don't like super defined curls. Kind of like them to look a little, you know, natural. Just regular, if you will. Hey, feeling myself. Alright, so here what I'm doing is just deciding where I want to separate my hair. I like to wear a little part. I usually wear my hair on a side. So I'm just separating it. It doesn't have to be a super defined line. I just want for people to see the part. And of course, we gotta pick some more. Pick. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the olive oil to the roots in the front just to lay that front section down on both sides, of course. And for this part, you can put as much olive oil as you want. I put some, I don't really go crazy with it, just because my hair by the end of the day with the humidity in Atlanta, it's gonna lift anyway, so. Action going on. Now I'm just brushing my roots down where I want that super defined curl to pop. I got those sideburns, y'all. Go ahead and fluff a little bit more. So now I'm trying to get those little baby hairs to lay down and cooperate. Still learning the game though. So now I'm gonna put on a head tie where I gel down the front of my hair for about 10 minutes. Make sure it's actually laid down tight so the hair doesn't lift up as it's drying. Y'all, 10. All right, so now the grand finale. Ooh, child. So all I'm doing is fluffing my hair a little bit more just so you can see the final product. And of course, my handy dandy pick. Y'all know I told y'all I be picking my hair. I pick. Here's a little back action of what my hair looks like in the back. And we are done. Well, nope, I lied. Time to pick some more. Y'all know I was feeling myself. Oh, girl! Alright, now it's time to hit the streets. Hey, y'all. Hey, hey. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe.